the 12 most reliable hybrid cars of 2025. Let's be honest, picking a hybrid these days is a little like dating online. Everyone claims they're reliable, efficient, and won't leave you stranded on the side of the road, or emotionally. But who can you really trust? Well, today we're diving into the 12 most reliable hybrids of 2025, the ones that have proven they're in it for the long haul. Buckle up responsibly, because we're starting from number 12 and working our way down to the ultimate hybrid champ. On 12, Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. The Hyundai Sonata Hybrid is like that straight-A student who also happens to be the class clown. It's smart, reliable, and sneaky good-looking. With over 50 miles per gallon on the highway, it's ready for epic road trips or just endless grocery runs. The hybrid system is smoother than your best pickup line, which, let's be honest, isn't hard. And Hyundai's famous warranty covers you like a clingy best friend, but in a good way. Plus, the Sonata's interior feels fancy without the "I'm paying for it for the next decade" anxiety. It's the sedan you recommend to your parents, and then secretly buy for yourself because you're tired of your adventurous car leaving you on the side of the road. Stick around. The list only gets better. You won't believe which hybrid takes the crown. On 11, Kia Niro Hybrid. The Kia Niro Hybrid is like the coworker who quietly gets promoted while you're still figuring out how to work the coffee machine. It's efficient, reliable, and sneakily stylish for 2025. With a punchy little 1.6-liter engine and a hybrid system that barely sips fuel, the Niro is the MVP of small crossovers. It also has just enough cargo space to fit a weekend's worth of bad decisions. Kia's reliability has skyrocketed lately, so don't be surprised when your mechanic starts missing you. Also, the Niro's redesigned look actually gives it a bit of swagger, like it's ready to drop a mixtape titled "Who's Laughing Now?" Honestly, for the price, features, and warranty, the Niro Hybrid feels like finding a $20 bill in your pocket every single month. On 10, Ford Escape Hybrid. The 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid is the comeback story we didn't know we needed. It's like that guy who peaked in high school and then somehow reinvented himself into a successful, globe-trotting entrepreneur. Ford's Escape Hybrid blends SUV practicality with seriously impressive fuel economy, around 40 miles per gallon, without being a soul-sucking box on wheels. Its hybrid tech is now mature and polished, meaning fewer awkward check engine light conversations. The interior has more tech than a teenager's Christmas list, and there's enough space to haul kids, dogs, furniture, or your questionable life choices. It drives so smoothly, you'll wonder if it's part hovercraft. Bottom line, if you want something rugged, reliable, and kind to your wallet at the gas station, Escape Hybrid deserves a swipe right. On 9, Lexus UX300H. The Lexus UX300H is the pocket-sized luxury car you didn't know you needed. It's like a boutique hotel on wheels, stylish, comfy, and always somehow cleaner than you are. Don't expect drag strip speeds, but expect to spend your life worry-free. Lexus hybrids have a track record longer than a CVS receipt, and the 2025 UX300H proudly continues the legacy. It's perfect for city dwellers who want something small enough to park without a prayer session, but plush enough to make traffic jams slightly less soul-crushing. Plus, the UX's hybrid system is practically allergic to breakdowns. The only time you'll visit a mechanic is when you accidentally drive by one and wave politely. Cute, efficient, reliable, it's the golden retriever of luxury cars. On 8, Honda CR-V Hybrid. If the hybrid world had a royal family, the Honda CR-V Hybrid would be its middle child, dependable, respected, and somehow always better prepared than everyone else. The 2025 CR-V Hybrid combines Honda's legendary bulletproof engineering with SUV versatility. Need space for 4 kids and a Labrador? No problem. Need to hit 40+ miles per gallon on your commute? Done. Need to move cross-country with only mild existential dread? Easy. Inside, it's roomy enough for car karaoke battles, and the hybrid system is so reliable, it could run even if you fed it diet soda. The CR-V hybrid is the definition of low drama. Buy it, maintain it occasionally, and enjoy being the calm, collected adult you always told your therapist you'd become. On 7. The Toyota Camry Hybrid. Driving the 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid is like dating the reliable accountant after you're done with bad boys and chaos. It's clean, sensible, and surprisingly fun when you get it out of its shell. Camrys are famous for outlasting everything from marriages to cable subscriptions, and the hybrid version just turns the durability dial to 11. It's capable of 50+ miles per gallon, yet drives with the quiet confidence of a Jedi Master. Inside, it's all smooth tech, supportive seats, and a general, everything's going to be fine vibe. If you want a car that doesn't demand attention but still wins every long-distance race by simply not breaking down, the Camry Hybrid is your safe and very smart bet. Bonus, your parents will totally approve. On 6. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is like that person who shows up to the group trip with snacks, playlists, and the fully charged power bank. It just thinks ahead. With SUV practicality, impressive tech features, and a hybrid setup that's reliable as a Swiss watch, the 2025 Tucson Hybrid is one of the best choices for people who like life smooth and easy. It's spacious enough for family adventures, but compact enough for city parking, all while sipping gas like it's $10 a gallon. Don't jinx it. Add Hyundai's amazing warranty, and you've got a car so low maintenance, you'll have to invent reasons to visit the dealership just to feel involved. It's versatile, it's smart, and it's got the cool uncle energy we all secretly admire. On 5. Lexus ES 300h. Welcome to the Lexus ES 300h, the automotive equivalent of an expensive spa day. But you can drive it to Target afterward. This luxury hybrid sedan is pure serenity on wheels. Whisper quiet cabin? Check. Plush seating? Check. A drivetrain so reliable it should get a medal? Big check. The 2025 ES 300h offers around 44 miles per gallon, which is ridiculous considering how silky and substantial it feels on the highway. This isn't a look-at-me car. It's more, let me live my best low-stress life energy. It's perfect if you've aged out of wanting speed and now crave a vehicle that doesn't need a drama intervention every 20,000 miles. If calm, classy, and competent had a group project, the ES 300h would be the star pupil. On 4. Honda Civic Hybrid. Guess who's back? The Honda Civic Hybrid, fully reimagined for 2025 and absolutely killing it. It's like your favorite childhood friend who shows up at the reunion looking fit, smart, and better at life than everyone else. The Civic Hybrid offers over 50 miles per gallon, a sporty drive feel, and, you guessed it, Honda's rock-solid reliability. It's practical enough for daily commutes, fun enough for weekend getaways, and efficient enough that you'll start to forget where gas stations are located. Plus, the 2025 model has seriously upgraded looks. No more bland appliance vibe. This Civic says, I'm responsible, but I still know how to have fun. If you want a hybrid that's economical without being basic, the Civic Hybrid is ready to slide into your driveway and into your heart. On 3. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Some cars are made for solo city living. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid was made for hauling your entire life plus 2 unexpected guests. The 2025 Highlander Hybrid keeps Toyota's hybrid streak alive with 3 rows of seats, excellent gas mileage for its size, about 36 miles per gallon, and enough reliability to make a Swiss banker blush. It's the ultimate road trip buddy, family hauler, and moving day hero. It can fit your kids, dogs, furniture, and probably your entire midlife crisis. Toyota's bulletproof hybrid tech makes the Highlander not just a smart buy, it's basically a stress reduction machine. And let's be real, when you're herding children or groceries like a confused cowboy, the last thing you want to worry about is your car. On 2. Toyota Corolla Hybrid. If the Toyota Corolla Hybrid were a person, It would be the valedictorian who also secretly runs a startup on weekends. The 2025 Corolla Hybrid is affordable, efficient, 53 miles per gallon, and almost offensively reliable. Seriously, you could ignore maintenance reminders and it would still show up to work early. It's everything you need and nothing you don't. Toyota has spent decades perfecting this formula, and now it's smoother, quieter, and way more handsome than before. It's not flashy, but that's the point. This car is for people who like having extra money for vacations, brunch, or buying unnecessary things on Amazon. If you want to drive something that will literally outlive your plants and your gym membership, the Corolla Hybrid is calling. On the first place, Toyota Prius 2025. Of course, it's the Prius. The 2025 Toyota Prius isn't just reliable. It's practically a background character in your life, always there, quietly saving you thousands. Toyota gave it a glow up too, so it's now, gasp, actually attractive. Still, under the hood, it's the same unstoppable machine. 55+ miles per gallon, low maintenance, and the hybrid tech equivalent of Gandalf-level wisdom. It's quicker than before, sharper looking, and still shrugs off 200,000 miles like it's a warm-up jog. The Prius doesn't need to flex. Reliability is its middle name. If you want a hybrid that will endure everything from your indecisiveness to the next alien invasion, this is it. Buy it. Love it. Forget about gas stations. You'll wonder why you ever doubted it. And there you have it. The 12 most reliable hybrid cars of 2025, each one ready to survive bad roads, worse gas prices, and your questionable snack choices on road trips. Whether you're looking for something compact, luxurious, or big enough to fit your in-laws and their emotional baggage, there's a hybrid out there with your name on it. Remember, picking a reliable car isn't just about saving money, it's about buying peace of mind, and maybe fewer awkward, "Can you come pick me up?" calls to your friends. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content sprinkled with sarcasm, and drop a comment telling us, which hybrid would you trust to survive your next cross-country adventure? Catch you in the next one. And until then, may your MPG be high and your maintenance costs be low.